Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Good morning. It's Valentine Weekend. Everybody has plans. All red Facebook heart statuses. We Desi Korean all dressed up in red lipstick. And aho ji aho, Halwa Poori. Once a Desi, always a Desi. As we Karachiite says, the man ke khao. So for your upcoming weekend, today I'm sharing recipe of Halwa Poori and Aalo ki tarkari. And for that, things we need will be. So first we'll make our aloo chole ki bhaji, and for that I have these boiled potatoes. Then I'll be adding some chickpeas. I'm using canned ones. You can use the regular ones if you have on hand. I have whole red chilies, some turmeric powder, haldi, salt, and then I have this masala which I pre-made and always keep in a Ziploc bag. It has sauf, zira, rai dana, methi dana and kalonji. I leave all the ingredients linked down below. You can go on my blog post and check for the ingredients and quantity. So now take a medium-sized saucepan, add your boiled potatoes, and they should be coarsely chopped. So as you can see, I just boiled them and then I'm just breaking them with the help of the spoon. Then add water, enough water to cover the potatoes, add whole red chilies, salt, turmeric powder, and the masala which I just showed you. You can adjust all the seasoning, whatever we are adding. I will again leave the quantities down below. Mix and cook until it comes to one boil.
Now bring your flame to lowest level, simmer and let this mixture cook for a good 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you can break the potato pieces with the help of the spoon, and then add your chickpeas and then add oil. You can use ghee or butter as well, but I used regular vegetable cooking oil. As I already said, you can break the potato pieces while it's cooking. The starch potato will make this mixture like a thick gravy, and just cook for 5-10 more minutes so all the spices and seasoning will get combined, and then dish out and serve with halwa and puri. So for puris, I have a cheat code for you guys. So for the people like me who are living outside from the country and miss these kind of street food, I have something for you.
Go find out these uncooked flour tortillas and then you will get a perfect street kind bazaar ki puri. Believe me, you will get the same result. So the packet look like this. So just put the flour tortilla into heated oil, then with very light hand with the help of the spoon just press the edges, and here you go. You will have a puffed puri. Just flip it and let it cook from the other side for like 30 to 40 more seconds. It depends how crispy or soft you want your puri, and then serve it with your halwa and aloo chole ki bhaji. And for halwa, just click the link down below. You will get to the recipe because I have a surprise guest who shared this recipe with us. The weekday breakfast struggle is real, but the weekend is the time to unwind and take the time to make something you really want. And at home, brunch means no waiting in line, as many puri as your heart desires, and best of all, eating in your pajamas. So that's why today I shared the authentic Pakistani breakfast brunch recipe, puri, aloo chana bhaji and halwa. If you try this recipe or make it at home, please let me know how it turned out with you guys, and don't forget to take a picture, tag me on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know, leave me a comment down below and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to click on subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you missed my previous videos, here are the links.